students, bring their computer book. Today I am going to start a new chapter. So open page number 14. Today I am going to start a new chapter, that is chapter number 2, Parts of a Computer. The name of the chapter is Parts of a Computer. Open page number 14. So, before starting the chapter, you all are getting this picture. In this picture, there are different parts of a computer. And I think you all are familiar with some of the parts, like monitor, keyboard, mouse, and CPU. In this picture, there are two more parts, that is speaker and printer. Other than that, there are also many parts of the computer. So, in this chapter, we are going to read about the different parts of a computer. So, now I am going to read the chapter. A human body is made up of different parts. Each part has special work to do. In the same way, a computer is made up of different parts. All these parts together make a computer work. A computer is a machine that has four main parts: monitor, CPU, keyboard, and mouse. The monitor, keyboard, and mouse are attached to the CPU by wires. So children, what it is written, like our body is made up of different parts. We have hand, leg, mouth, ear, eyes. In the same way, computer is also made up of different parts. Like our body, human body has different parts, and different parts have different work to do. In the same way, the different parts of computer have different work to do. Like in our human body, we use our eyes to see, we use our hand to write, we use our leg to walk. In the same way, the different parts of computer have different work to do. There are four main parts of computer, that is keyboard, mouse, monitor, and CPU. How many main parts of computer? There are four main parts of computer. And the parts like monitor, keyboard, and mouse are attached to the CPU by wires. Okay, these three parts are attached to the CPU by wires. Now come to the next slide. I am going to explain you the parts of computer. So the first part which I am going to explain you is monitor. Monitor looks same as the TV screen. It looks same as the television screen. So what is the use of monitor? We use monitor mainly to show the text typed and the work which is done by us. Whatever we are doing in the computer, whatever we are typing, we used to see the work with the help of the monitor. Okay, so the part of computer which looks like a TV screen is called monitor. Now come to the next slide. So children, the next part of the computer is keyboard. What is this? This is keyboard. Keyboard has many buttons present on it, which we are called keys. What we call that? Keys. And there are 104 keys present on the keyboard, which are alphabets, words, numbers, symbols, everything. The keys which is present on the keyboards are alphabets like A, B, C, D, numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, all are present on the keyboard. And there are total 104 keys on the keyboard. Okay, now come to the next slide. Okay children, so the next part is CPU. What is this? This is CPU. And the full form of CPU is Central Processing Unit. What is the full form of CPU? Central Processing Unit. As we all have brain, so the computer also have a brain. And what we call the brain of computer? CPU. CPU is the brain of a computer. Like our brain help us to think and to do all the work in the same way. CPU also helps the computer to think and to do all its work. Okay, so CPU full form is Central Processing Unit, and it is the brain of a computer. Okay, now come to the next page, that is page number 15. So, in page number 15, it is given about mouse, printer, microphone and speakers. So, with the help of the next slide, we will know about the different parts of a computer. So children, the next part of a computer is mouse. A mouse has 2 or 3 buttons on it. Okay, how many buttons that a mouse have? A mouse has 3 buttons on it. Left button, right button and a scroll wheel. We will learn about the buttons of mouse in different chapter, okay? Not in this chapter. So, what is the use of mouse? Mainly, mouse is used to point, move or select any item on the computer screen. Like, in my screen, you are getting a pointer is there, no? White one. This is the mouse pointer. What is this? This is the mouse pointer. And we are using this to point something, to move or to select anything. Okay? So, mouse has how many buttons on it? Mouse has 2 or 3 buttons on it. And it is used to point, move or select any item on the computer screen. Okay? Now come to the next slide. In our next slide, we will see some more parts of a computer. As there are 4 main parts of computer, that is monitor, keyboard, mouse and CPU. And now we will read some more parts of computer, more like printer, speaker, microphone and CD. So what is this? Have you seen this? This is the printer. What is this? This is the printer. Like the book which you are reading, the copy in which you are writing, all we have got this with the help of the printer. हम लोग को printer की मदद से मिला है वो. Okay. So printer is used to print the text or pictures on a paper. Okay. Printer is mainly used to print. It is used for taking out the printout. Okay. And the things which we get in our hands, like the printed copy, like our book, our copy, anything, that is called hard copy. What we call that? Hard copy. And there are 3 types of printer: dot matrix, inkjet and laser. Okay, so which part of computer is this? This is the printer, which is used to print the text on a paper. Okay, now come to the next part. Okay children, the next part is microphone. What is this? Microphone. We use microphone to record our voice. Whenever we are saying something, whenever we want to record something, we need a device, we need a part of computer that we call microphone. What is this? Microphone. Okay? And we also use microphone to talk to our friends on the internet. Okay, like I am speaking, no? I am speaking with the help of the microphone. Okay, now with the help of microphone only I am able to record my voice. Understand? Now come to the next slide. the next part of computer, and this is speaker. What is this? This is speaker. Why we use speaker? Speaker allow us to listen to music and hear sound effects stored in a computer. Whenever we want to listen anything from our mobile phone, from our computer, we need speaker, because only speaker allow us to listen to that particular sound. In our school also there is a speaker. Whenever our director sir is saying something, we get his voice with the help of this speaker in our classroom. Okay? Now come to the next slide. Come to page number 16. In page number 16, we will learn about the part of computer that is CD. What is this? This is a CD. CD. I think you all have seen this, no? CD. In CD, we store a lot of information. We can also store music, we can also store movies, and with the help of CD, we are able to listen to music and watch the movies. And the full form of CD is compact disc. What is the full form of CD? Compact disc. So we have read about some more parts of computer, that is printer, microphone, speaker and CD. Okay? You have to identify the parts of computer. Whatever I have taught you now, you have to identify the parts. One by one, all the parts will come and you have to identify which part is this. So first one, which part of computer is this? This is a monitor. Next, this is mouse. Next, this is, what is this? This is CD. Now come to the next slide. Which part of computer is this? This is CPU. What is this? This is microphone. What is this? This is the printer. What is this? This is speaker. And what is this? This is a keyboard. So we have read about different parts of computer. What are they? Monitor. Monitor looks like a TV screen. Keyboard. Keyboard has how many keys on it? 104. There are total 104 keys on the keyboard. Mouse. Mouse has 2 or 3 buttons on it. CPU, that is Central Processing Unit, is the brain of the computer. These 4 are the main parts of the computer. Okay? Next is printer, speaker, microphone and CD. Okay? Go through the video nicely and please understand the chapter nicely. And if you have any query, you can call me anytime. Thank you children and have a very nice day. Stay safe, stay home.